Hi there, my lovely creative friends. I'm Julia Henze, an artist and art teacher based in the Netherlands, and the founder of Brave Brushes Studio, a membership for amateur artists and urban sketchers. I don't mention it here on YouTube very often, but I'm also a top teacher on Skillshare. I have published 13 classes there, which were taken by over 50,000 people. And now I'm excited to announce a new Skillshare class, The Magic of Provence, urban sketching with watercolors and colored pencils. This class is based on a technique I showed in a video called Watercolor Freedom a couple of months ago. Have you had a chance to try this technique? Let me know in the comments. As you know, if you have done any of my urban sketching classes, I often use watercolors in combination with fine liners and colored pencils. And the process is like this. First, you create a preliminary sketch with a graphite pencil, then you refine it with a fine liner, and then you paint with watercolors. And finally, add details with colored pencils. In the new Skillshare class, after making a preliminary sketch, we erase the pencil lines until they are barely visible and then paint with watercolors. We paint very loosely, letting the colors flow into each other, running across the pencil lines and trying not to worry about it. And only after this, we refine the sketch with a fine liner and add more details with another watercolor layer and pencils. This is a great exercise in letting go, giving up control, embracing the beauty of watercolors. I'll show you what this class looks inside in just a second. As always, you know what to do with this like button, right? This class is available not just on Skillshare. You can access it inside Brave Brushes Studio, together with my entire collection of classes. Or you can buy it separately at learn.bravebrushes.com/courses. Okay, here it goes. What do you think, guys? I put a lot of work into this class and I really like how it turned out. Here are 3 ways you can access the class. Skillshare, Brave Brushes Studio, a single course at learn.bravebrushes.com/courses. You can also find the links in the description. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think of this technique. See you next week.